In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set prices for products with variants on Shopify. This is a crucial aspect of managing your online store, ensuring that you can accurately reflect the value and cost of different versions of your products. If you're ready to enhance your product management skills, let's dive in. First off, you'll want to go into your Shopify admin page. Once there, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. This panel is your main navigation tool within Shopify, providing easy access to the various features of your store's backend. From this panel, go ahead and click on Products. This will take you to your product catalog, where all of your listed items are shown. Now, once you're on the Products page, you'll see a list of all the products you have in your store. Browse through this list and click on the specific product for which you want to update the pricing for its variants. This action will open up the product details page. It's here that you can manage different aspects of each item in your store, from descriptions to images, and importantly, pricing. On the product details page, you'll notice a section dedicated to variants. Variants allow you to sell different versions of the same product, such as varying sizes or colors. Click on the variant that you're interested in adjusting. Doing so will open up detailed settings specifically for that variant. One of the key fields you'll see is the price. This is where you can input a new price for your selected variant. Be sure to consider your cost, competition, and market demand when setting this price to ensure it not only covers your expenses, but also appeals to potential customers. Once you've determined and entered the new price, it's time to make sure that all edited information is saved. Look towards the bottom of the page and find the Save button. Clicking Save is an important step, as it ensures that all changes you've made to the variant's pricing are stored and reflected in your online store. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the pricing for a product with variants in your Shopify store. This quick process ensures that you can keep your pricing flexible and responsive to market changes and inventory considerations. Remember, regularly reviewing and adjusting your pricing strategy can be a powerful way to maximize sales and profitability. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. If this video made managing your Shopify store a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy selling!